Cons Maths 5 Plus, page 23. Dear students, today we'll learn about concept of zero. Look at the picture and try to listen carefully as the cursor moves in this video. How many parrots are there in the cage? On the left side of the page, there is one parrot in the cage. On the right side of the page, 0 represents that there is no parrot in the cage. 0 means nothing. In the second picture at the bottom, you see two trucks. On the left side of the page, you see the truck loaded with oranges. But on the right side of the page, you see no oranges or 0 oranges in the truck. The truck has 0 oranges. Respectable teachers and parents explain to the children the concept of zero through examples from their immediate surroundings. Tell them that 0 means nothing, but it is a digit and it is very important too. Play a magic game with the children at first. Show them a piece of chalk or anything in your palm. Then smartly hide it without letting the children know that you are hiding a piece of chalk. Then show your empty palm to the children and ask them how many pieces of chalk are left in your palm. They will say 0. Then repeat the same magic game with other objects. Help the children in writing 0. Encourage the children's efforts involved in understanding the concept of zero. Thank you.